right. Bailey.
Welcome to Castaway Cay.
Castaway Cay, that's right. Look how
Disney's own private island with the most beautiful waters ever seen.
I agree with you. Look how pretty that is. And we're gonna head out there and we're gonna swim in those waters, and then we're gonna get on a slide, and then we're gonna slide down into the water. Does that sound like a plan? All right, here we go. It is really cold. All right, so let's see. The water is so clear.
Look.
Super clear. Oh my goodness.
Seaweed.
It's chilly.
Ooh, it's so cold.
Oh, we're gonna have to suck this up. We're gonna have to do that where you take a deep breath and you just go, oh, Bailey, you're just gonna have to jump in and go for it. You just gotta jump in and go for it. On 3. Woo! Woo. It's so cold. Doggy paddle, Bailey. Doggy paddle. There we go. There's the dump bucket. Here it comes. Ah! All right, so we're watching people just get absolutely drenched on this bucket. But Christina and Elise are out there. I'll try and zoom in so you can see them. Elise is on the float. I see Miss Christina too. So we'll do we're almost to the top for the water slide. I think we're about halfway.
Oh, and I saw my friend.
You saw your friend? That's cool. Okay, we have reached the top, so we got a great view of the ship. It's a little windy. Really pretty view. No, I'm not gonna go in the closed one because I want to bring the GoPro, and it would just be me going in a dark tunnel, going ah. So that one's gonna be our winner right there. All right, Bailey, it's your turn, or almost your turn. I'll see you down there. Wait for the signal. And there's the signal. Have fun, baby. All right. All right, here we go. Oh, we're picking up speed. Oh, I'm just thinking about that cold duck at the end. Here it comes. And I made it. There we go. All right. What'd you think?
Good. As soon as I came out the slide, I saw another one of my friends.
Oh my goodness. Did you hold your nose?
Yeah.
Okay.